Happy morning. Today we are going to see about homeostasis. So what is homeostasis? You divide the term homeostasis. Homeo means same, stasis means state. It is maintaining a constant state in the internal environment, and it is a self-regulatory process. Now to define homeostasis, homeostasis is a self-regulatory process that maintains a constant internal environment of our body. And this process involves two mechanisms. One is a positive feedback, other one is a negative feedback. So what is a positive feedback is if any of our factor, say for example a temperature, if it is increased, this variable will lead to mechanisms that will increase further the variable. So a very good example is clotting factors. So the activation of clotting factor, one clotting factor will activate the other clotting factor until a fibrin thread is formed or until a clot is formed. So this type of activation of the variable leads to mechanism that leads to further activation of the variables. It is called a positive feedback. Whereas in negative feedback, if a variable is increased, say for example a hormone, when it is increased, and the mechanisms, it will lead to some mechanisms, and that mechanisms will decrease the variable. So increase in the variable leading to mechanisms decrease in the variable. A good example is the hormone. When a hormone level goes high, the brain centers or the brain controlling centers, they will secrete some hormones that will suppress the increased hormone level. So for example, if you take thyroid, the thyroid hormone level, when it is increased in the blood, this sends signals to the brains, and brain will sense and it will secrete a hormone that will suppress the thyroid gland, and the level of the thyroid hormone goes down. So today's class we saw about what is homeostasis and what are the two mechanisms. One is a positive feedback, other one is a negative feedback. Thank you for watching.